Welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me Redmi 12, and now I'm going to show you how to share Wi-Fi password on this device. First, need to open the settings, then click the Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi you wanna share, scroll down. So click on it, not click on the arrow, but click on this, and now you will see the network QR code, and now anyone can scan this code to connect to the same Wi-Fi network, or you can share it by nearby. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.